Selfish. Lately you've been selfish with your love. Lately you don't wanna get at up. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. Today we are going to install this lovely closure wig. So if you would love to see how I install this wig, just continue to keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So we are back with another install. I have to just take my buffer brush and my Lancome 360 Suede W, 460, not 360. And I'm just going to take a little, and I'm going to start by just blending that on the wig cap. So yeah, it's going to look like that. The wig will be stopping about here. I'm going to also take it as well. I did actually have this wig dyed and customized and everything before, but you know, sometimes you just need to go back in after some time of you having it. So yeah, I'm just gonna place all that foundation. So this is how it is looking. This is the wig. I haven't done color in a while, but I need to order some more wigs, and the ones I'll have is like a frontal. And yeah, I don't feel like putting on a frontal chop. So I did just wipe off my forehead with a little alcohol pad. Now I am just going to take my Even spray, and this is the black can. I be seeing people saying they don't like the black can, they like the red can, they like the red can, they don't like the black can. So I don't know, child. But just spray along my hairline. I'm going to take my Kiss blow dryer, and I'm going to have it on the low setting on hot. This wig has two straps in the back. I'm going to tie them together or link them together so it becomes like a little band in the back. And it does have combs and everything, but that's how I'm going to apply this wig. I only blow dried this wig, so it is probably looking a little crazy. But yeah, we're about to get it together. Just make sure the hair, just place this where you want it to be. I did cut the lace again a little bit. So I'm definitely going to need to go in with my flat iron because it looking like all over the place. And then I'm just going to spray along my hairline again. Then I'm going to go in and tweeze. So I'm going to take my elastic band. And I'm just going to let that lay. I was just a little bit more blonde. Like when I told her to, I wanted it like this blonde, like more so up here. But just gonna have to do. So I'm gonna go in and flat iron this hair. I should have done this while it was wet. So now it's dry, and I tried to go in before when it was dry, but when it's wet, like a little wet, and you put the mousse on, it tends to lay better. So now I'm gonna just go in and try to lay this flat. So this is my wax stick. Oh my god, this is so old. The Care wax stick. But feel free to take any wax stick. And I'm gonna just go in by sections to try to lay this wig down because we do not want it to look all bulky. I'm gonna take a generous amount because, well, you don't want to do too much because you don't want it to be looking oily, but I didn't lay it flat before, so after I washed it. So I'm gonna really try to get up in there. You see it's laying flat already. And so this is how it's looking. See, this is flat, and this is still like what's going on. So this been on for maybe like 3-4 minutes. I'm gonna do some baby hair. So I'm gonna just take a little corner. I just want to angle it. Let's just take a little mousse to help me push that out the way. Go back on my tweezers. Alright, y'all, so I'm just putting some wand curls in my hair, and I'm taking the Fantasia heat protectant and just giving it a little spray. And I'm gonna go in with my Remington curling wand. Hold that for like 10 seconds. And then when I drop it, I'm gonna just hold it in my hand, and then you get a curl. Taking it and winding it backwards. Alright, I am done wand curling this hair. I'm gonna just take off this elastic band. And see how we're looking. Child, the baby hairs be a struggle, so I did that off camera. But I just took my edge brush and some mousse, and I just swiped it, those pieces that I cut. And this is what I came out with. So yeah, trial and error with those baby hairs. Here, I'm just gonna go back in with the hot comb and hot combing the hair back, just so you can see the baby hairs. Still just getting like too thick. Like this wig has always been super thick. So I just want to go in and just pluck this thick behind closure. I just take my foundation and I'm gonna go in this is the final look. This wig is super thick, so yeah, but I'm trying to thin it out. It's so much hair though, like, so you see, I'm just going in and plucking, but I did just spray my fingertips and just put some hairspray to get this to like lay down and continue to show this install. Yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The hair is looking big, it's giving volume.